Hey y'all, hey, and I really like this look, so I just wanted to do a couple more videos with this look, y'all, because I'm really enjoying it. And I just really went off the top of the dome with this look, y'all. One eyeshadow. I looked in the eyeshadow palette that I used to do this, and I was just like, I just want to use that one eyeshadow, and y'all, flawless. So you guys, I am going to be showing you all how to do your lashes, how to put on lashes, because my little cousin, she asked if I had a video on my channel of how to put on false lashes, and I realized I don't. So you guys, I'm going to be showing you all how to do a false lash. Okay, let go. Hey y'all, you're probably wondering why you're seeing this white t-shirt with this brown eyeshadow look again. It's because I'm doing a 2-in-1, y'all. I'm showing y'all how to not only do the winged eyeliner, and I will link the video for that down below in the description box, and I'll also put it up in the cards. But I'm also showing you guys how to put on false eyelashes. And y'all, today, as you know, I love going to the beauty supply store. The Hood Beauty Supply Stores is where it's at. And y'all, when I say the Hood Beauty Supply Stores is where it's at, I mean that is where the lashes are. That's where the good lashes resides. And so you guys, I am going to be using these RSoul Fauxmink 3D multi-layer effect lashes. And y'all, this is how you know I don't use these lashes so many times. Look at, you probably can't, yeah, look at, don't judge, because you know when you find that one pair of lashes you like, that carton end up getting a little dirty, getting a little. So yeah, these are the lashes that I'm going to be putting on, and you guys, I already have one on. I thought I was gonna make my eyelashes flutter, but I didn't. But really, really cute, you guys. What I like to do is I like to first start off by putting mascara on my natural lashes. And there's really three mascaras that I like to use. I like to use either the Too Faced Better Than Sex, or the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, or the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And I'm actually going to use this Maybelline Great Lash Mascara today because we keeping it classic, we keeping it simple. And so I first coat my lashes. Nothing too dramatic, nothing too fancy. Just coat these bad boys up. Honey, what is that accent? I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay. And next, you guys, I am going to be using the Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins. This is in the shade Clear. And I am going to use these little, y'all, I got these from Amazon, and this is my first time using little actual lash tweezers, because usually I use regular tweezers, but I bought this from Amazon, y'all, and I feel fancy. Like, I really feel fancy using this. I feel like I'm actually part of the beauty community by using these, you guys. And I'm just gonna first take the lashes off, make sure that I do, you know, the band good. And y'all, these actually have glue on them from when I last wore them. So what you're gonna do, y'all, is, of course, first of all, don't be like me and leave old glue on your eyelashes, because that's not good, sis. That's not good. But I be tired when it's time to take off makeup. Honey, I be tired. I be trying to get this stuff off, and that includes the lashes. I'm trying to get it off, get off me. So we have gotten the old glue off, and so what we're gonna do now is we are going to brush. Y'all see that? we are going to take the glue and we are going to brush it all over the lash pad. And y'all, if you hear my fan in the background working overtime, that is because your girl is hot. So I have my fan on the highest setting possible to give me that air, because baby, I live in Georgia. And one thing about Georgia, it's gonna get hot. So yes, now that I have that on, y'all, next I am going to, if you are a makeup artist, don't do this on your client's lashes, because y'all, we still in the whole Panda Express. So I mean, I can do this because it's going on my eye. It's not going on anybody else's eye. It's going on my eye. So it's okay if I do this. But if you're a makeup artist, don't do that. Don't do that. Do something like this, like fan it out to the side, or got a little fan, do it like that. But I could do that. I could blow on this because it's going on my eye. It's mine. The man from Scary Movie said, my germs, my germs. Okay. So now that I have gotten the glue dry and tacky, and y'all, I got glue up under my nails. It's okay. I'm going to take the lashes and I'm going to first start by placing the middle part of the lash down. And now I'm going to work on putting the sides down. And make sure that your tweezers don't do what mine trying to do, which is hold on to that lash for dear life. And then what I like to do is just take as close to the lash line as I can. Is take my lashes and kind of fuse them in with the false lashes, so everything is seamless, everything is cohesive, and everything is good. And yes, you guys, that is how I put on my lashes. And y'all, this eye, which eye is it? I think it's this. I think it's this eye. This eye is actually bigger than this eye, I think. But either way it go, honey, the lashes is popping. And I got these from the Hood Beauty Supply store. And I love this pair, and I have another pair. I can't find that other pair right now, but that other pair doesn't matter because it's not on my eye. But Hood Beauty Supply stores, y'all. Hood Beauty Supply stores.